we need to be talking about a Bitcoin, because I think that Bitcoin is about to create this massive breakout anytime soon. So we need to be talking about that exactly. Trump is about to speak at the Bitcoin event today. The Bitcoin charts are looking better than ever before, so we need to be talking about that exactly. So can we once again push up the likes back above the 100 likes? That would be absolutely amazing, and as always, let's have a look into that short term. And yes, once again, we are trading instead of a weekend, so pretty likely volatility is going to be lowered. That semi-close price is sitting at the 67.9k level, so yeah, consolidation at around this level is going to be very likely, and it is going to be very likely that at the start of next week we are going to be returning towards our semi-close price. Anyways, actually what we could be seeing in the last few weeks is that during the course of the weekend, or at least starting from Friday, we have seen all of the time significant Bitcoin pumps. And right now, once again, we've been starting our pump on Friday, continuing and leading in towards the weekend. So pretty likely this is about to continue, and in that case, we are about to create another CME gap, which then inevitably is going to be getting filled with a slight dump towards the downside if we were to be seeing this pump, of course, to be, filling up that CME gap. Now, anyways, today, Trump is about to speak at the Bitcoin event. Definitely, he could be saying something very bullish, and in the case that he is going to be saying something very bullish, well, definitely, I think that markets are about to pump like never before. So yeah, in my opinion, it is not going to be very likely, but there is going to be that small chance, which is going to be very bullish for Bitcoin. On top of that, we are getting all of these other bullish events right now, so definitely this is looking very good for Bitcoin. Anyways, Bitcoin is testing some level of resistance right now in the short term on that 4-hourly time frame. I think that this is going to be the level to be breaking above. If Bitcoin is going to be breaking above these previous highs over here, definitely I think we are about to create these new highs. Even when we are trading during the course of the weekend, I do think it could be possible right now because of our past few weekends. Anyways, yes, the stock market is as well bouncing back towards the upside, so this is looking very good. Now, of course, the stock market is closed right now, but because of this bullish bounce, I do think that Bitcoin could also be bouncing a little bit more towards the upside. Now, Bitcoin has actually already been seeing this perfect bounce from off this level of support over here. So yeah, definitely it has been looking absolutely beautiful for Bitcoin. Just like our Bitcoin trade, we've been perfectly opening it at the Bitcoin bottom exactly. Now, I have been receiving quite a few questions still. When am I going to be closing my Bitcoin trade? And yes, I've set this target over here, but that doesn't really necessarily have to mean I am going to be taking my profits over here. I am just going to be taking a look into what's the Bitcoin funding rates, because whenever the Bitcoin funding rates are going to be spiking higher again, that is going to be the moment when the market is going to be getting greedy again and is going to be getting overheated again. And that is exactly going to be the moment where I'm going to be taking my profits. Now, right now, currently, the Bitcoin funding rates are definitely still sitting very low, sometimes even negative. For example, even yesterday, they were trading negative. And this is just adding more liquidity towards the upside, causing Bitcoin to go even higher. And yesterday, I've been saying we are about to see a big pump. And yes, indeed, whenever the Bitcoin funding rates are still going to be low, well, in my opinion, we are just going to be headed even higher. Now, currently, Bitcoin is actually testing a major level of resistance at this current moment, this bull flag level of resistance, and whenever it is going to be breaking above this one over here, we do have that price target sitting at the 100k level. So with all our bullish events right now coming up, well, I do think that it is going to be pretty likely that anytime soon we are going to be breaking above. That is going to be massive. Anyways, guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself as well, definitely make sure to check out the link down below, because with that link down below, you can right now be claiming this $500 trade over on Bybit. All you need to do is sign up a new account. By the way, if you already have an account, you can just register a new account using a different form of identity, such as your driving license, and there you go, you can open a new account, deposit at least $100, and there you go, you can be claiming your $500 trade. So definitely make sure to check it out. Anyways, in the past few weeks, we have actually been getting a lot of FUD because of Mt. Gox, which has been dumping a lot of they've been repaying a lot of Bitcoin. But this is almost over. Even when Mt. Gox have been repaying their customers, well, the Bitcoin price has still been increasing towards the upside. So like I've been saying, this Mt. Gox news is just going to be FUD and most likely is just going to be marking the bottom. And yes, exactly, that has been going on once again. It has once again been playing out perfectly. The Bitcoin funding rates are still trading low. The Bitcoin hash ribbons are right now flashing a buy signal after a Bitcoin halving. So yeah, a parabolic move is about to get initiated, just like these other past 3 times. Right now it is once again happening, so definitely do not get left behind. Anyways, for the altcoins, well, the Bitcoin dominance is still increasing heavily. I keep repeating myself, but the moment you probably are going to be deciding to give up on your altcoins will be the moment when the altcoin season really will start. It is going to be inevitable, guys. An alt season is going to be inevitable. I'm just going to be accumulating my altcoins right now. I cannot be timing the top on this exactly, but I just know that pretty likely in this region we are currently trading in, well, it is going to be a good moment to be accumulating your altcoins. At least that is what I'm personally doing. Anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.